guys, welcome to math. We are on 13.2 or 13-2, and we are looking at two different clocks today. Yesterday, they told us not to look at clocks, and today we have two different clocks to look at. This clock, the red clock, is called an analog clock, and it looks a lot like the one behind me. This clock, the blue clock, is a digital clock, and this looks a lot like the clock that we have on the wall in our classroom. Okay, so our solve and share today says, both of the clocks show the same time. Tell what time is shown. Then write one way the clocks are alike and one way they are different. So let's look at both of our clocks. What do you notice about the clocks? We need to figure out what time it's telling us. What is the time that is shown? If I look at my analog clock, my hour hand is pointing to, and my minute hand is pointing to. Okay, so if my hour hand is pointing here and my minute hand is pointing here, what time is it? Same thing for this one. My hour is on this side of the colon, and my minutes are on this side. So what hour is it telling us? And what minutes is it telling us? Remember, when our minute hand is pointing straight up at the 12, we say what? O'clock. When our digital clock has 2 zeros, we also say o'clock. So what time is this showing us? This is showing us, or both clocks are showing us, 9 o'clock. Okay, now let's look to see how they are alike. What do they both have? What are they both showing? They are both showing us 9. See this one? The hour hand is pointing to 9. This one in the hour spot, it is 9. So they both have the number 9. Now, how are they different? Well, if I look at my minute hand, it does not show 2 zeros. It's pointing to 12. And on the digital clock, it is showing me 2 zeros. That is one way that are different. They are different. Maybe you can tell somebody at your house how else they're different. But for right now, let's go to our visual learning. How do you know that it shows 7 o'clock? What hand is pointing to the 7? The hour hand is pointing to the 7. And the minute hand is pointing to the 12. Remember, if the hour hand is pointing to that number, that's what time it is, 7. And we say o'clock, 7 o'clock. What looks different? Are there any hands? No. Are there numbers? Yeah, but do they have all of the numbers? No. does it tell? Okay, what do we have that's the same? Remember, this one's telling me 7 o'clock. That clock that you see on the screen is also saying 7 o'clock. What is the same? So this is what hand? The hour hand. So the hour is the same. What hand is this? It is the minute hand. So the numbers after the 2 dots, after the colon, is the minutes. Hey, let's read our clock. 7 o'clock. Now let's read our digital clock. 7 o'clock. Are they the same? Yes. Hey, great job, guys. Now we are going to be looking at the guided practice. Our guided practice. It is asking us to draw the hands on our clock and write the time on the digital clock. Okay, so if I draw my hands, remember the minute hand is the long hand and the hour hand is the short hand. So right here on number 1, it says 3 o'clock. Hour hand is pointing to the 3 and the minute hand is touching the 12. If I make 3 o'clock on the digital clock, remember the hour is before the 2 dots and the minutes are after the 2 dots. So if I'm looking to make 3 o'clock again, I make 3 and then 2 zeros is our o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay, now 5 o'clock. What would 5 o'clock look like? Where would my hour hand point? My hour hand would be the short hand and it would point to the 5. Where would my minute hand point for 5 o'clock? My minute hand would point to the 12 and touch the 12. Okay, so 5, hour hand, pointing to the 5 but not touching it. Minute hand all the way to the 12 and touching it. For my digital clock, my hour is before the 2 dots and my minutes are after the 2 dots. So it would be 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0 for number 2. Number 3, 12 o'clock. Now that one's tricky. I'm going to get my clock. 12 o'clock. I'm going to make mine look like 12 o'clock. Now this is 11 o'clock. It's not 12 o'clock yet. This is 11 o'clock. I need to go all the way around. Can you guess what it's going to look like? So now my hour hand's on the 12 and my minute hand's on the 12. Can you see both hands? No, because the hour hand and the minute hand are on top of each other. So this is 12 o'clock. This is what the 12 o'clock would look like on an analog clock. The 12 o'clock would look like on a digital clock would be a 12 in front of the 2 dots, in front of the colon, and still have the 2 zeros after the 2 dots. Okay, so 12 o'clock, and then 12:00. That would be 12 o'clock also. Now I just showed you 11 o'clock on my clock before this. So let me go back in time. 11 o'clock. Okay, so it's the hour hand is pointing to our 11 and our O clock is still at the 12. It doesn't matter that they're close together. This is still saying 11 o'clock. So tell me, what do you think that this digital clock would look like? What number would be here? What number would be here? Or numbers would be here? 11 and 00. Now the do you understand is not trying to trick you, but I do want you to make sure you're looking at the two clocks. Do the clocks show the same time? Look at the analog clock and what number that hour hand is pointing to. Now look at the digital clock and what number does the hour spot show? Are they the same? Tell somebody at your house if they are the same. All right, guys. So we did get a lot of practice with our guided practice. Now I'm going to put this next piece on Seesaw, and you are going to do, you are going to draw the hands on the clock face. Then you're going to write the time on the other clock. Notice this one. There is no clock. What do you think you're going to have to do? You're going to have to draw it. Okay. And then this one, you are just going to be writing some times. Okay. You have to find the pattern that's in this time. Okay. And it's going to just be this page for our math today. So look for this on Seesaw. Practice telling time on an analog clock and a digital clock. A fun way to do that is getting a paper plate and drawing numbers on it, 1 all the way to 12, making sure 12's on top and 6 is on the bottom, and practicing telling time. All right, guys, see you next time, or I should say, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.